O come, Emmanuel, 25 devotions for Advent, inspired by the sermons of Dr. Charles Stanley. Day 2. Jesus was God's promise. Arise, shine, for your light has come, and the glory of the Lord has risen upon you. Isaiah chapter 60, verse 1. Prophet after prophet foretold the Messiah's coming. Many of Israel's customs and feasts were shadows of the substance that would come with his appearing. Yet, as one century after another went by, life seemed to go on as usual, without the promised divine interruption. Were the words of God to his people only empty promises? Were all the prophets wrong? Was man destined to live in chains of sin and bondage? Then, on a day that began much like any other, that longed-for divine interruption came in the form of a baby who would change the destiny of humankind. For all those who were still waiting for him, Jesus came quietly and without fanfare. But on the day of his birth, the world changed profoundly. Nothing would ever be the same again. Lord, I praise you for always being true to your promises. I choose to put my hope in your amazing faithfulness, which you showed the world on Christmas so long ago. O come, Emmanuel, 25 devotions for Advent, Christmas in Africa.